What's going on, guys? It's Peyton with the Right Bike, Southern Devil Harley-Davidson, and today what I wanted to show you guys was our Whiskey Fire on Vivid Black Street Glide Ultra. As most of you may know, we no longer do the Road Glide Limited, at least in 25, and in 24 we didn't really do the new fairing style Road Glide Limited, so this is your all-class touring motorcycle. Equipped with the Generation 2 Milwaukee-Eight 117, storage out the wazoo, your lower fairings are storage again. You got your big old one-touch saddlebags. We're still equipped with your King Tour-Pak. Storage is a huge thing on these. The Ultras also still come with embedded navigation and the Skyline OS 12.3 infotainment systems, where standard models do not. You're also equipped with a taller windshield, a Harley-Davidson factory 10-inch windshield instead of that shorter tinted windshield. There's really a lot to go over, but the big thing on these, I need somebody to come ride one of these bikes with me, man. I love to take Ultras up and down the road, so if you get freed up and are in Cartersville, Georgia, come find me or give me a call, 678-748-6011, or you can call our store line, 678-721-0203. Thank you.